Alright, here's a little 2-year review and setup video of my Aquasure Harmony Series water softener and filter. I bought it on Amazon and it came with the Aquasure Fortitude V2 filter here, included with the purchase price of the water softener. My house is roughly like 1,800 square feet finished right now. I got a bonus room above the garage that I'll be finishing in the next year or two. 2.5 bath. Everything in my house runs off this water softener except the 2 outdoor spigots. I've got a spigot in the garage that I use to wash my vehicles, and I utilize the soft water for that. The filter there is the V2 series triple purpose. That thing has been amazing. You can see by the color difference in the PEX pipe is up there. So here's the kind of setup that I did. So when the house was being built, I told them I wanted the water softener in this closet. So yeah, the electrician put an outlet over here for the water softener. The plumbers plumbed in this line. So obviously when they plumbed it, there were caps on these lines. These were turned off and this was turned on. So it just bypasses the whole water softener and filter setup. When I did the install, yeah, I mounted this piece of wood onto the studs here, just so this is a little more sturdy, because this ain't going anywhere now. I got these PEX expansion fittings to 1-inch male fittings. So these stainless steel corrugated pipes could easily just screw on, very easy install. I got the stainless steel corrugated pipes from Amazon, and then these PEX expansion fittings from Menards. The only other thing I had to buy, this does come with the water softener, but I needed a longer one to get to the drain in my crawl space. So yeah, I got this from a local hardware store. It's 1/2-inch OD to 3/8 ID. And the setup was easy. I've pretty much kept all of the default settings, but you can see here, it's got 917 gallons until the next regen. I've got it set up where every 1,000 gallons it'll regen, but it won't regen immediately. I have it set where, so it's 1027 right now. And if it was to hit the 1,000 gallons today, it wouldn't regen until 2 a.m. the next day, just so it does it in the night when no one's awake and it's not making noise. But I've been using the Diamond Crystal Bright and Soft water pellets. I get them from Menards, pretty inexpensive. And then I live by myself, so this thing really doesn't have to regen that often. Here's the salt in here. Yeah, I should probably add another bag. I don't like to fill this all the way though. My grandpa had a water softener and he would fill this thing so full and it would just clump up and the water wouldn't touch the salt anymore. So I usually, pile it up in a corner and let it kind of funnel down into the water. But yeah, the filter here, the first time I used it, I let it go for 6 months, and that filter was so crummy compared to the new one. So now I do it every 4 months. I probably could do it a little sooner, but I'll show you guys a picture. But you can see on these pipes what this filter and water softener does. This is obviously the inlet, and look how red and irony that is. And then obviously going back into my house is like that. Yeah, pretty crazy. So I'll go down to my crawl space and I'll guys show you how I put the drain down there. All right, we are in my crawl space now. You can see, yeah, I just drilled it to the floor with this, the drain line. And then I drilled through a couple floor joists, following it, hitting my head, following it. And then I've got this little line here that I've dropped in the drain line for the water softener on the left. And then the right line is the pump comes from by my furnace. That's the condensate line. And then also my humidifier line dumps into that line. So everything dumps into there and then goes out to the sewer. A little bit more on the performance of this. Obviously looking at the pipes, it just shows for itself. But other than that, my shower head, the little silicone pieces that the water comes out of, before I had this installed, those things would be spraying all over the place because the hardness would get on them. And I'd have to wipe them down to get it, spraying back straight. Also, the faucets, drains, the water level in the toilets, they would get that, you know, yellowish red stain quick when I didn't have this installed. Now it takes a while for them to build up that stains. So, but if you guys have any other questions, let me know. I will link all of the parts that I bought in the description. But yeah, I love my little setup here in the little closet, out of the way of everything. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions.